Yes children, today I will tell you how to create table in PowerPoint. If we want to show our data in tabular form, then we use table format. So first we use Control M for Mumbai, insert new slide. To insert new slide, now I have this slide and I will click on this button, insert table. Now first I will show you that vertical are the columns and horizontal are the rows. Like this is the row and this is the column. Verticals are the columns and horizontal are the rows. Now if I click on this button, it is asking number of columns and number of rows we want in our table. Like if we want 5 columns and 6 rows and 6 columns, then it will create 6 rows and 6 columns in our table. We can increase the size of the table like this. Now here I am giving title time table. Select your text and click on center alignment. Here you can write your text like this, days Monday, and here if you want to, I will show you here. If you want to align your text, then first you will select your table and you can use this layout. From this layout, you can align your text in left, right and center. And if you will click on this button, then it will show your data in the middle and it will display on the top. Now we want our data in the middle position. Now I will show you if we want to merge our cells. First we will select the cells and if we click on merge cells, then it will merge the selected cells. Control Z, undo. If we want horizontal cells to be merged, then first we have to select and then click on merge cells like this. Here we can write anything. Now if we want to insert a row from the current position, insert above from the current position, then first we will place our cursor on the active cell and then we click on insert above. Then one row has inserted. I am pressing Ctrl Z for undo and insert row below. Here I am placing my cursor and click on insert below. Then the row will be inserted from the current position. Press Ctrl Z for undo. If you want to insert a column, then place your cursor and insert left. A column will insert to the left from the current position like this. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo and this is for inserting column in the right position. Now if you want to design your table like this, you can give the different color format to your table like this. You can select any of the pattern from here like this and you can enter your data in your column like this. First period is class teacher. You can increase the size of your table like this. So children, you can create different types of tables in PowerPoint